Success is the sum total of a lot of efforts done day in and day out. I know that you all must be busy with your school exams or probably some assignments or God knows what. But that does not mean you don't take care of your health. We are very concerned about your health. And that's how in this video we have some health related tips for students like you who are really busy. The first tip is do not skip your breakfast. Breakfast is actually the most important meal of the day. It is said that you should have your breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner just like a poor pauper. That means how important is the breakfast because you have been starving all night long and now your body needs fuel to work. So do not skip breakfast no matter how busy you are. Tip number 2, avoid junk food. I know we crave for junk food, the thought of momos or burgers. Oh my god, yes, but we need to skip or at least avoid junk food, especially when we want to concentrate more like our exam time or the tests time, because they contain certain refined saturated fats as well, which might lead to less concentration and even weight gain, which we don't want. Avoid junk food. Now the tip number 3. I know now, since I have told you to avoid junk food, what do you have in the evening? That should put snacks. So keep some healthy snacking options nearby. Just like, you can have fox nuts, which are called as makhanas. You can also have certain dry fruits. Those are at least not going to make you gain a lot of weight if you have them in moderation. And also they might contain antioxidants or some other elements which help in increasing the health. So keep healthy snacking options nearby is the tip number 3 that I suggest. Let's move to tip number 4. Yes, limit your salt and sugar intake. I know that you would feel that our grandparents need to do this. We are not those who might suffer from blood pressure. But you don't know that a lot of salt, a lot of sugar intake harms not only someone who is 60 plus age, but even those falling in the age group like you. You should limit that as much as possible. Now, how do you do it? Try to avoid those packaged foods of chips and all that because that contain a lot of salt. Similarly, for sugar, try to avoid as much carbonated drinks as possible. Either, switch to healthy alternatives which are available in the market, or lemon water, etc. would help you. Last but not the least, stay hydrated. Lots and lots of water will help you equip yourself with all that energy that you need in order to ace the final exam. I hope all these tips helped. We know that you have been supporting us. You can support us in the form of comments, likes, shares, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so far. Thank you.